All right, today is the day. I'm gonna be putting together the toolbox, and I got a, let's see, socket drawer organizers, and good old Harbor Freight wrench, wrench organizers, and some just a few impact sockets, and yeah. So that's what's on the agenda for today. Put together a toolbox, organize sockets, and well, all the tools basically. Alright, I got all the box and wrapping stuff all off of it. It looks like the only thing that really needs to happen is just like the legs and rollers need to go on it and be attached. I think that's about it. Oh, and the arm thingies for the door. It doesn't seem that hard. I'm gonna see if I can find some instructions though, just in case. Okay, insert nut A in let me just think of instructions. Put this thing together with my own two hands and moxie. This is where these ratcheting wrenches I got from Harbor Freight really come in. So much faster. God, that's so satisfying.
2 hours later. Okay,
so this is taking way longer than it should have, but I finally got it like 95% put together. Except for the fact that I ran into a problem. These struts for the top, there's no mounting holes. There's supposed to be mounting holes along here, but there are none. So I don't know what I can do about that other than just drill through it. That's all I can really think to do, because there's no mounting holes for that. They're supposed to be, let's see, they're supposed to be right here. But as you can see, there are none along here at all. So I gotta figure out what to do about that. I guess I'll just drill through it. Okay, forget what I said earlier. I'm dumb. Well, I'm not necessarily dumb, but I don't believe these instructions, if it'll focus, are correct. I think the struts are supposed to go through those holes, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna try that and see how it opens and closes, and if that works, then we'll roll with that. If it doesn't, then we're gonna drill holes. But I think it goes in those holes, right there. Let's see. All right, moment of truth. Will it close the correct way? Let's see. I attached them right there, so let's see. Yes, perfect. Now all I gotta do is, oh man, you know, I just realized I was supposed to attach the handle to these bolts, and I already screwed them in. This is what I get for not reading the instructions all the way. Now I gotta undo those and put the handle back on. But other than that, it's done. And it looks really good. You probably can't really like get a sense of the size of it through the video, but it definitely looks really good. So I guess I'm gonna throw on the handle, clean up this trash in here from this box, and I'm probably gonna put it right where this black one is. I'm gonna clean the black one off and clean it out, and then put all the tools in there, and then I'll just probably put miscellaneous stuff in the smaller one. So yeah, this is I really like this thing. It's really nicely built. It's just the instructions probably could use a little bit of tweaking, but after you figure it out, it's straight. So yeah, let me put on this handle, and then we'll move on to the next part. All right, here she sits, and this is probably where she'll stay for the most part. Now I just gotta, let me show you what I got for, I don't know if I showed you this already, but I got these. This is like a wrench holder organizer thing. And where did the other thing go? Lord, I lost it already. I forgot I threw it in here just to, so I wouldn't lose it, and I ended up losing it. This is a socket drawer organizer, or 6-piece socket drawer organizers. So now comes the most tedious part. I gotta figure out, gotta go through all my sockets, figure out what I do and don't have, and get them in their proper spot. I'll probably keep sockets up in this top area, and then I will do everything else. See what I got in there, and yeah, try to fit all the major tools that I'm gonna be using in here, and then yeah, pretty much just basically organizing everything so that, you know, when I get to working on something, I can at a glance just know where to grab it from and know where everything is, and make sure and have a spot to put it, a specific spot to put it back. So yeah, that makes working on cars a lot easier when you don't have to look for a tool. You just know where it is. Alright, so here it is, basically all finished up. I know there's a lot of spots in it, but what I did was I had just like a whole bunch of random socket sets from just all over the place. So what I did was basically all the ones that were redundant, or I had multiples of that were exactly the same, put them in a basket and threw them in this box. And the ones that were like rusty and crusty, I also threw them in that basket and threw them in this box. Let me see. Yeah, there they are. So now I have a pretty good understanding of what I have and don't have and what I need to get. As far as ratchets go, I have those back here and like one right here. I basically need all new ratchets except for like a 1/4 inch, because they're pretty much all broken. All my ratchets are broken or don't work right, so I'll definitely be getting new ratchets as soon as possible. See, I got hammers, drill bits, just random stuff in there, random thing in there. That's bits. I haven't worked on the wrenches yet, so I'll get to that eventually whenever I feel like it, but it's kind of late. And the awesome drawer is where all the power tools are. So yeah, that's basically it. It looks 10 times cleaner over here now. Got all my detailing stuff right there. Not really detailing, but like car wash stuff. The small jack is up under there. Big jack is over there with the jack stands. Like spray paints and stuff. Just anything in a can or a bottle, I just have kind of up there. Tires, all the gas cans over here. I have to take that back. Yeah, so that's it. And I have the oil, just ran some extra oil that Damon left up under there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight. Again, probably not the most exciting video ever, but I'm trying to push out content, that's all. So I hope you guys appreciate it, or if you like it, that's cool. If you don't like it, that's cool too. Just trying to push out more content. I don't know if you've noticed or not, but I've been kind of trying to put out a little bit more content than I usually do. Trying to get, you know, maybe 2 to 3 videos out a week. So yeah, that's it. I guess I'm gonna end it right here and go to sleep because it's pretty late. I'm sweaty. I've been getting attacked by insects in here, and I'm just pooped. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe if you like these videos. There's going to be a lot of building on this car, you know, when I get the chance and have time or help. And yeah, so I'm gonna end it right there. Peace out, and see you guys whenever I feel like making something else.